Tailwind CSS is a large collection that is very popular in 2024, which helps build websites quickly with CSS properties assigned as individual classes without the need to create a separate style.css file as before. You can see it in the video. It is very beginner-friendly, and you should learn it because during interviews, people will ask about Tailwind, and having knowledge of it will be a plus point. Additionally, combining it with SCSS and CSS is beneficial. However, Tailwind also has its weakness, which is the inevitable issue of class duplication. For example, as you can observe, there are many duplicated classes, which can be quite visually overwhelming, don't you think? You can address this issue by creating reusable components using your favorite JavaScript frameworks. For example, here I'm using React.js. The second approach is to use the @apply directive in CSS to apply Tailwind classes and combine them into a single concise class name. Next, what you need to prioritize at this moment is the performance of Tailwind CSS. Because Tailwind weighs in at over 3,566 kilobytes, but when you go to build for the production environment, it will automatically remove any excess components and utilities that you don't use, resulting in minimal dead code and thus faster page loads. Lastly, you don't need to memorize much, because VS Code will automatically complete every Tailwind class. If you're not sure what a class does, simply hover over it and it will provide you with a description.